Welcome everyone, I'm Attila Kecsmár and I'm excited to bring you a very special product release. Why is it special? This time the focus is not on new developments, but on getting the most value out of our technology. To make that happen, we have built an interactive e-learning service that teaches you how to use the Antavo platform. We call it Antavo Academy. As thought leaders, we don't just want to talk about loyalty technology we provide, we want you to understand it like we do, no matter your background. Antavo Academy is for consultants, system integrators, agencies, also for brands, retailers, and customers of Antavo. By enrolling in the Academy, you will be able to take the most out of our technology, and with our courses, you will build a competency regarding Antavo, unlocking new business opportunities. This is not a small project. We didn't just want to create a simple learning portal. We wanted to build a kind of interactive, hands-on educational experience you would expect from a university. So this entire product release is all about letting you know how you can attend Antavo Academy, what kind of courses await you, and most importantly, the benefit of investing your time and resources into these courses. With that in mind, let me introduce you the stars who spearheaded the project: Julia Filoso, the head of Antavo Academy, and Andrew Cheeseman, the Academy lead architect. Julia, Andrew, it's your turn. Tell us everything.
Thank you very much, Attila. We are thrilled to finally present the Academy to the world, aren't we, Andrew?
Yeah, it's been a busy few months getting ready for this launch, but there's something in it for everyone.
That's for sure. The Academy was designed for Antavo's partners, customers, but also for anyone curious to explore what Antavo and loyalty programs are all about.
We've got dedicated tracks for marketing and tech people. Marketeers will focus upon setting up loyalty programs within the Antavo platform, whilst engineers can dive into the nitty-gritty of systems integration. There are also exams to test your knowledge, and you can work at your own pace or in a class.
Thanks, Andrew. That's actually a great segue to what I think is one of the best things about Antavo Academy. Every course has a tutor who is an expert in the subject. Some courses are entirely based on live classes, while others offer Q&A sessions. Tutors are also there to review your practical exams, providing feedback on any errors and giving you tips to ace them.
That being said, we understand the challenge of squeezing in learning alongside your busy work life. That's why most of Antavo's courses are self-paced. They can take between a couple of hours or a day or two, depending on how complex the course is. On top of that, you get an Antavo sandbox to play around with. You can tweak the settings and try out different functionalities, and you don't need to worry about breaking the environment.
So, now that you have done everything, you have completed your courses, practiced in your sandbox, passed your exam. What happens when you graduate from the Antavo Academy?
Well, Julia, you get your own certificate, just like this one. Here's one I've printed out.
What? You actually printed it out? And it's in black and white as well?
Well, we don't send you a paper copy, but we give you an electronic certificate.
Yeah, that's true. It's actually much easier to showcase it on your CV, LinkedIn, or wherever you like to display your professional competencies. On top of that, if you're an agency and get multiple team members certified, then you will have invested into a competency that pays off. You can now provide loyalty program implementation services with much more confidence.
With all that being said, I think it's about time we give the viewers a tour.
Well, lead the way, Andrew.
So this is the Antavo Academy when you log into it. We've crafted it to be engaging and hands-on so you directly experience Antavo's technology. This is your personal dashboard, complete with direct access to the course library and a space for important Antavo communications. In the course library, you can see all the available material. Each curriculum is divided into sections, starting with an introduction, then diving into the main subject matter. There's also an interactive Q&A session that you can join with other learners and discuss the curriculum material with a tutor.
Thanks for highlighting that, Andrew. We've actually put a lot of focus on building opportunities for collaboration among students. We want you to initiate discussions, compare homework, and help each other out. Oh, and the Sandbox account, it's an essential part of your learning experience. When you enroll, you get your very own playground to practice on, and you get a separate environment when it's time to take an exam as well. And that's all for now.
We hope you've enjoyed your sneak peek of the Antavo Academy.
Registration is now open on academy.antavo.com with a free course that you can try right away. See you next time.
Bye.
Thank you, Julia and Andrew. This guided tour was amazing and I'm really impressed with the Academy. And that's a wrap for today. Click on the link in the video description and start your journey at Antavo Academy. and visit our website to see our previous product releases. Remember, Antavo is the loyalty cloud, powering the most innovative, award-winning loyalty programs. Our loyalty technology is used by businesses around the world and has been highlighted by Gartner and Forrester. Thank you for checking out our video. We will see you next quarter at the next product release.